Let's try the time lapse and see what is working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blah 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 blah. Now see, did that work out for you? That worked out for me. Let's try it again. Now see, y'all didn't think I could be talented now, did you? I'm working on my new kind of B-roll, kind of slow-mo just for y'all. I'm going to go ahead and post this because I think it's funny. But anyway, alright, I want to put a quick shout out to OpenShot for the video software. It's very good software. I'm just learning how to use it, but I did recommend them in the last couple videos on how the motion works and everything else. I'm learning a lot about this software, and it seems to be working out really good for me as well. But shout out to OpenShot. You got an awesome program. But anyway, more to come, so like and subscribe, and if you like my YouTube channel, stick around. We're going to have lots more for you. So until the next time, it's JJ, your boy. We will see you later.